All right, greetings once again. You're welcome to this video, this special presentation. Okay, in this particular video, I want to show how you can solve the redirect problem of Google Chrome to YouTube Studio. Sometimes you're trying to either to upload a video using your Google Chrome. You know, in a normal YouTube app, it's difficult to upload and really customize a video. So sometimes advice as a content creator, you want to add tags to your video, you need to use either a computer or you use the desktop version of your Google Chrome. So, and sometimes you're trying to upload, it's not even getting you to the upload page. What you're going to do is, okay, let's get to Chrome. Okay, we are already on YouTube. I want you on YouTube. Next thing, okay, and I here, you ensure that, okay, you have changed it to desktop version. As you can see it here, this is the normal version, and then you can click this three dots up here and change it to desktop version. Okay, it's now on your desktop version. And then the next thing is you want to upload a video. So you click on the upload icon up here. You have three elements there. You have upload video, go live, or create a post. So you take we're going to take on upload video. And when you take on upload video, it redirects you instead to studio. It redirects you to studio. So I'm going to show you what you can do. So the first thing is you go to your account icon here, and then you hold down on YouTube Studio. It's going to open up, and then you open new tab. The second one, you open in new tab. It has opened a new tab. So you click, you see it was 6 up here, but now it's 7. You click there, up there, and then you go to the new tab, this last tab here. That's the new tab that has been created. You click there. Then this is now your desktop version of Studio, YouTube Studio. And now what you do is you come back now to create this upload version here. This upload icon here at the top. Click there. You see it has different, you can create, it has added playlists, you can create a playlist, you can do this. Okay, you simply click on upload. Okay, now you see it has taken you to the upload page where you can actually select a file. You can click on this arrow, or you click on select file to upload to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Kindly share to help somebody solve this issue. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next videos. God bless you.